Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to peel and dice potato with a knife and without using a dicing board. So let's begin. First thing first, you need a sharp knife. Whenever you peel a potato, make sure you have a firm grip of the potato so that it won't slip from your hand. As well as with a knife resting on your finger. Now let's peel. As you can see in this video, I am peeling the skin towards myself, and this way I find it really easy to peel the skin. So peeling is done now. I am going to soak the potato in the water for some time before dicing. So now I'm going to show you how to dice. First, I'm going to cut the potato in half. Now I have two pieces of potato. And now I'm going to join them together. And I'm going to cut it again in the center. As you can see now, I have 4 pieces of potato. Now I'm going to dice the potato. I want medium size. For that, I will just dice the potato 1 inch each. As you can see now, this is medium sized diced potato. With diced potatoes, you can make different dishes like curry potato, fried potato, or cook them with some vegetables too. I hope you liked today's video at Jenny's Kitchen. Thank you for watching. Take care. See you next time. Bye bye.